Need to speak up without interrupting? Let me show you how to raise your hand in Zoom. It's super easy and handy in meetings and classes. While you're in a meeting, look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on Reactions. That's where you see all the emojis live. Right at the top, you'll see the Raise Hand option. Click it and Zoom will show a raised hand icon next to your name in the participant list, and the host will get notified. Your hand stays up until you manually lower it. Just click Lower Hand from the same spot or in the participants panel. Want a shortcut? Hit Alt plus Y on a keyboard to raise or lower your hand instantly. Use it to speak up respectfully. No more cutting people off. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for smoother virtual meetings. See you in the next one, and thank you guys for watching.